In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods to your Shopify store. So as you can see, I'm in my Shopify store right now. And what you want to do to add a payment method, you want to go to settings. And over here you can see all these options. You want to go to payments. And here you can see all the payment providers. So Shopify Payments is relatively new and it's also very cheap. You also have PayPal, Amazon Pay and all these third-party providers. So if you're just starting out without a lot of money, I would recommend you to use Shopify Payments. But if you are already dropshipping a lot with Shopify, I would recommend you to use Stripe. First, I'm going to show you how to get Shopify Payments, how to set it up. Basically, you have to complete the account setup by hitting the green button. And then you can fill in everything over here and then hit complete setup. So basically fill this in, your name, your Chamber of Commerce registration, then the VAT number and all your business details. And then you can set it up. But if you're already dropshipping a lot, I would recommend you to use Stripe. So if you want Stripe, you can't just go to this and type in Stripe, because as you can see, Stripe does not exist in the USA or in any country except for France. So what you want to do, you want to go to settings, then go to your general information, and here you can see that my country is set to the Netherlands. So first you want to go to payment methods and you want to deactivate Shopify payments. Just select a random reason and then go back. So go back to the settings, the general settings, and now you can change it. So you want to change this to the country called France and then hit save, because in France Stripe is still available. Now you want to go back to settings and go to payments again. And now you can go to third-party providers, as you can see right here. And then you can see it already says set up Stripe. So here you can set up Stripe and basically do it from here. The same process as with Shopify Payments. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.